Right, so we're at Dyllan's. This is an old mechanics shed workshop that was built, well, it was used between 71 to mid 90s because it's got the built-in pit and everything. So this guy literally had all the old gear from the 70s to do all servicing and whatnot of all different cars. Now a lot of the stuff is leftover stuff, a lot of it's actually Dyllan's, but a lot of the bits and pieces he actually left them here for Dyllan to do his stuff. So like he's got a few 5/16, 1 1/4 inch G bolts, the old scales. Yeah, he's just got all these boxes marked with all the stuff that he needed to do his stuff. Still in the original tins, and I think he actually made the tins as well, for everything to go in. So 5/16 and 11, 3/16 screws and split pins and everything else. And there's some old car parts. Stout. What are the car parts on the roof? Are they for your Stout?
Toyota Stout, yeah.
Yep. Toyota.
We're bits and pieces of everything, but now the Toyota Stout.
Alright. So then...
And then all the new old stuff.
So you've got a lot of old stuff of housing, thermostat housings, dizzy caps and... Ball joints and just...
filters, bearings,
Leyland.
holding brake master cylinder.
Yeah, all original stock. Falcon without aircon. And, so a lot of stuff left over. Oh, so we can pick up their part. Yeah, a lot of the old stuff, old stock. There we go. That's a big ass number. Ford Cortina, all models except the TC, Escort, Corona high ace for that one. Just some newer stuff called Courier, Mazda B 2200, Camry. There's just old Honda, Mazda RX2, RX3, the 148, Courier Trader, Econo van. But yeah, this is the kind of stuff the old blokes had, and your credit's good here. Pig's ass it is. Yeah, there we go. Don't fall over. No truck repairs. There's a story behind that, but I probably won't go into it. Or you reckon I should? No. Nah, I won't worry about it. Just, yeah, old stuff.
Do you want to show his old labour rates roof?
Oh, that's right. I took a photo of it once. There you go. Another little shed with the markings of all the stuff and parts. But there's his labour rates. I was going to put this in another video, but hell, we're here now. $1.70 for 5 minutes. $3.40, 15, $5.10 for 15 minutes. An hour's $20. An hour is $20. Now it's $100 an hour. So that's how much it's gone since in the late 70s. $100, what's that? $102 for 5 hours work. Now it's that just for one, if not more. That's his hourly rate. How cool is that? And he's got his chart of what he's got to do. We're not there any cars. Oh, it's a bloody hornet's nest. yeah, so all these sorts of stuff. Office. So we'll have a look around. So the old pit with some stairs to go down into it. Corrugated on the side. Oh no, that's concrete. Poured concrete with corrugated as a template.
Where the footings are on the edge of the concrete is where his little skid plates used to be.
Ah, okay.
Skid plates are under the shelf over there, bro.
And oh yes, there. There's the old skid plates for his willow arms. Cervex. Yeah, so that's your original skid plates. So they fitted here.
They fitted either end depending on where he was going to be, yeah.
Ah, okay. Cool. So yeah, she's a little bit steep. That's right, this is the other one I picked up, showed the other day. Original tap and die set with what it fits. Vauxhall, Prefix, Chevy, Morris, Oxfords, Wolsleys. So he's marked them with what fits where. Willys, Ford, Jeep, Citroen, Delphine Renault. How often would you be servicing a Dauphine Renault out in the bush? He must have been the rich bastard in town. Ford Prefect, Simca, Austin A40s, lots of Austin stuff. Fiat 1100, the old farmer's market must have been. Yeah, so that's, because they're all marked, so you know which bit will fit what car. So yeah, that was the old bloke's thing. So how cool is that?
Up on top's his tyre repair patch clamps.
Oh yeah, the old vulcanising patch clamps. And
wheel balances over in the corner.
That's right, his old wheel, so many old tools and stuff. So this is his old wheel balancer. Which ran off a belt, electric motor. Yeah, old wheel balancer. That's what I suppose a big vulcanizer for big stuff. Blocks and chains he used to use. The old.
Next to that kerosene fridge is a gulleting machine to sharpen saw blade. That
thing.
cuts the teeth deeper on the big saw blades.
There you go.
And that's his homemade drill press.
Look at that. Right, what other wonders? What have we got in this one? What's he put in here?
That's pretty much all my junk stuff.
Oh, that's all your crap. But what did he have this as? Just a storage, basically.
This was his storage for all his leftover parts from days gone by. Gearboxes, brake shoes, clutch things.
Yep.
Diffs, hubs, all sorts of odds and ends. Some of the stuff that's in there is what was here and most of it's mine. The old green Southern Cross stationary engine and stuff under the shelf there is what was here.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
One's Southern Cross and one's a Champion, I think.
I can't tell. Yeah. Gosh. Falcon, early Falcon stuff. Crossblows. For your XF. Oh yeah, the gantry, that's right. Look at the bloody engine hoist. Look, that's never going to fall apart. That is never going to fall apart. The size of the wheels on the sucker.
That's his welder.
She's welder. Look at that.
It's got a Holden grey motor and 30s Ford spoked up wheels.
That's right. Spoke mill. And arc welder powered by a Holden grey. What's that, 161?
Not really.
Are they grey? Neither am I.
It runs, I've had it running. Because this shed doesn't have 3-phase, so we built the welder.
Yeah, yeah, you wouldn't have it those days. All the pulleys running the
It's an old Lincoln unit, I think.
generator. That is cool. Imagine that, rocking up to do your welding on site. What was it again?
What's that?
That thing?
That's his big saw. It says it's powered by a Ford prefect motor.
Oh,
Flathead Ford prefect motor.
oh, I got one of those sitting at home.
So you can either crank start it or
I can't see it.
electric start it. I can go around and open the door if you want.
No, I should be right. I don't think.
Can you get the blade?
No, that is heavy duty. Take your arm off in a sec.
And the rest of the blades are over there. Behind Jono.
Yeah, I do know. Oh, look at that. Chunky. Chunky blades. That's chunky as. So, yeah, custom made, big old.
That's a Kenny mini wheel on the front there.
Ah, oh, mini. At least they're useful for something. By the way, he has the.
He's set this up so you can wind
Yeah,
it.
yeah, saying to wind it up out of the way when you're towing it.
If you go to tow it, no, when you go to tow it, you undo this pin and fold it out of the way and pull this pipe out so it leans on here and folds that wheel right up so it just goes as a single axle trailer.
Ah,
Until such time as you set it up and you want to just wheel it around.
yeah. Big old exhaust. Wow. Chunky as. And that's Greenfield tractor. That's friggin' old as well.
That's my one.
How old's that?
That is around the mid 70s. Originally, it had a Honda G65 side drive in it, and now it has a Honda GX390. So it's just over twice the original horsepower that it would have been.
It would be, eh?
It's a rough old bit of gear, but it still does the job.
Oh yeah.
Greenfield Model 28, that is what that is.
Model 28. Wow. There's some of the old shoes. Are they his or yours?
They're his. Most of all this hanging here is what was here. There is an old sight somewhere. It's tickled down the bottom there. Old coal shovel.
Wow, it is going back. You're using coal around here to keep your body. That'd be just for his heating though, wouldn't it?
I don't know why he would have had that, but it is an old coal shovel like what you use in the train to fucking feed the boiler. Sheffield something written on the handle.
Ah.
Possibly the other stuff he might have done a bit of forging.
Well, he could have forged, or he could have just bloody just that was what the servicing. Oh, pipe bender, gee, that would be old.
The old pipe bender, yeah.
Come on, focus. Time's my. tools at? Why is this not? There we go. Focus. Sweet. And your old bunky F350.
Hey, come on now.
The really cool F350. Well, last, yeah. Well, it's still in one piece. Yeah, his old Falcon. But yeah. So this was what they had, you know, what he used back in the 70s. Yeah, old mechanic shop. How cool would that be?
There we go.
There you go on. And then Dyllan also likes collecting old vintage heaters. You know, Dad comes here every day when the first thing he does when he walks in the shed is grab a piece of wood and throws it in the fire. Not hot enough. So, yeah, this is an early. So, what year are these? Yeah.
It's very hard to say. That one that I've just painted black.
Your newest acquisition.
One, the newest one is the little one.
Oh.
The one that I've just painted black is. It'd be early 1900s, I'd say, because it didn't originally have a cream door. It was just flat steel.
It's just a flat steel, which is this one here. Yep. So you've replaced it with the.
But it's very hard to say how old they are.
So it'd be close to 100 years.
Probably. All three of them would be. Meta's number 6 that I've got on the patio is probably a bit newer, but.
And they definitely keep the place hot, that's for sure. So I know the other day we were sitting here and yeah, very nice. All right, well I think that concludes our little shop tour of an old country mechanics shop, which I reckon's pretty damn cool. They've been making an awesome man cave, or like a man cave / museum, of all the bits of stuff that he's left in here, or that was in here, like those weight scales, or the wheel alignment scales, and just stuff. Be awesome. Anyway, I suppose we better get back into moving that big pile of crap. So, cheers, hooroo.